sand painting. The words itself starting with the word sand, right? So sand papers are available easily in market and in many hardware shop. It is also named as flint paper or polish paper, right? So we'll apply that rough surface areas. Landscape, a beautiful musical background with cloudy effect here, right? So we are applying bluish tone in back side and keeping the sound of nature. Sometimes you can use gray shading also. And lower surface supposed to be grassy areas at the edge. So we'll apply first yellow and followed by green tone. Stop. So landscape now having a particular subject with few rocks, it will named as ROCKSCAPE. And we'll do shading with related colors. Suppose light is coming from left hand side, so right hand side areas will be remain lighter shades. Few birds you can develop same time. And we'll apply just opposite side lighter tone, or you may say lighter shade. It will better to use broken color for more effective of light and shade here. You may see 4 rocks are visible now. Few pieces of small rocks also you can develop here and there, right? And do shading according to required. Now a few more grasses will develop here. The length of grasses will increase here because they are getting support. Like this way it becomes a rockscape. The landscape based on rocks, it will name as ROCKSCAPE. And few textures you can develop, natural textures, not too much, little bit. The broken textures are generally visible in rocks, and few finishing touches or making the softness of the grasses over here. Black color try to use for finishing after doing all color always, and this way you may develop a beautiful landscape in sandpaper. Thank you.